Greetings fellow Decepticons, Sound Blaster 1987 here with part 2 of my Time Force Megazord re-upload. As you can see, the Time Flyers have been restored to their individual modes for this part of the review, which will focus on the Mode Red robot configuration. So, to transform, first, remove the V shape from the back of Time Flyer 1. Then unfold the pelvis assembly and rotate it 180 degrees and clip it into place like so, thus revealing the chest. Then fold out the shoulder pegs from the forward-facing cannons and leave it off to one side. Then with Time Flyers 2 and 3, fold up the wings, flip up the feet, and fold out these red leg pieces like so. Folding them so that the more silver detailed part is facing forwards. Same on the other side. Then connect them over the hip joints like so. Then remove the outer casings of parts 4 and 5 and have the red sticker facing forward. Attach them like so. You'll have to excuse the condition of mine. Being on display in blue mode for so long has left the red stickers pale by sunlight and turned pink. So, to complete mode red, open this chest plate here and flip out the head. Then open out the cheek plates like so to expose the face. And here we have the Time Force Megazord in red mode. To create the shield for Time Force Megazord mode red, combine the yellow and pink front casings back together into their Time Jet display stand configuration. Then take this piece that you removed from Time Flyer 1, put the chrome bits in on themselves and attach it to the inside of this piece like so. In such a way that it can be, clipped into position and held by the Megazord. Then put the sword in the other hand. And the Time Force Megazord mode red is ready for battle. Now, due to the transformation engineering, there's a little bit more articulation here than on most Megazords. It's still not great, but at least you've got some more options. So, for example, there's a sideways swivel at the knee for transformation, a knee bend for transformation, and, of course, the usual Megazord 360 degree shoulders and nothing else. Mode Blue is more articulated, so I'll get to that in the next review. That concludes... hang on. Before I go, size comparison. Here's the Time Force Megazord Mode Red with Kingdom Voyager Cyclonus from my previous video. So, that concludes my review of Time Force Megazord Part 2. Join me next time when I look at the blue mode configuration. Until then, I have been Sound Blaster 1987. Till all are one, and may the power protect you, always.